So I've got this hinge on my bug door that's it's just frozen, and I pried it open to get the door off. So I'm glad I was able to do that, but I can't get the pin out. I've tried everything, every tool there is. I've heated it. I've done everything I can think of to get that pin out, and it wouldn't budge. So now I'm down to replacing the hinge. Could have just replaced the door, but I don't have one that's in good shape, and I don't think I'd want to paint it if I did anyway. So what I'm doing here, I just center punched and start drilling up from a smaller size, trying to get up to the size of the head of the rivet. You don't want to go too deep because you don't want to get into the meat of the door, but you just want to pop that head off. Once you get the head off, take a punch and push the rivet the rest of the way through. So here's my other hinge. I've tapped it for 8 by M8 by 1.25 threads, which gives me about 2 threads in the metal there. Wasn't too sure if I liked that, so I was thinking I might have to come from behind with some nuts just to add some strength. But turns out on the back side of the hinge there's another piece of metal in the door that's about an 1/8 inch. So what I did, and what you can see here, is I pushed the hinge down and then ran the tap through the threads in the hinge and then down into that secondary plate. So basically tapped them together. So now I've got about 3.5 to 4 threads, which is much better. I'm using countersunk fasteners here. There's not a lot of space in that door opening. So I had a door. I had a door on the car temporarily because it took me a couple days to get to this. I was a little concerned about the heads of those bolts hitting the door frame. There's not a lot of space, but it looks like there's just enough. Doesn't seem to be hidden. That was way easier than fighting that pin. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.